Welcome to JNK PWD Online Management System. In this video, we are going to show how to add new employee and update existing employee information. To begin with, let us log in into the system by entering the login details. On successful login, user will be redirected to the dashboard of the system. On the right, you can see a change role option where the user can select and change the role to HR. Click confirm. A new dashboard will appear. On the top left corner, we can see the role has been changed to HR. From the left navigation menu, click on Human Resource. Human Resource Management dashboard will appear. Let us first add a new employee. To add a new employee, click on Employee Information from the top navigation menu and click on Add New Employee from the drop-down. A new form will appear where the user can enter the personal information of the employee. There are 9 form tabs where the user can fill the information. In first tab, that is the basic info, the user can enter basic employee information such as the title, employee ID, the name. He can also upload his passport size photo in JPG or PNG format. Aadhaar number, PAN card number, GPF number and NPS number is also required to enter. In the health information, select the blood group of the employee. Select whether the employee has any disability. If yes, the proof of disability is required to be uploaded. Similarly, if the employee has any health issues, ailment proof is required to be uploaded. Update basic info and proceed to next. In the next official info tab, all the official details of the information is needed to be uploaded, such as the type of employee, employee category, designation, appointed order number, appointment order date, date of joining, current posting, district of present posting, DDO/office, name of the post held, remarks if any, the pay level, working status of the employee, place of stay. Save the official information and continue. On the next tab, now the qualification details are needed to be uploaded. The course name, board or university the employee has been passed from, the name of institution and all the other required information. The employee can also upload the qualification certificate in PDF format. The maximum size to be 200 KB. The employee can also add his qualification as many required. On the next tab, that is the posting history, all the posting details are needed to be filled, such as the DDO, office name, the post held, nature of job and the duration of the job. The employee can also upload his biodata duly attested by DDO and can add as many posting as required. In the next, bank account details, all the bank details are needed to be saved. In the next tab, the information regarding the residential address and permanent address is required to be filled, and if needed, the employee can also upload his residential address proof or the permanent address proof. In the next training tab, the training details such as the name of training, the institute from where the training has been incurred and the duration can be uploaded, and the training certificate can be uploaded in PDF format. In the next nominee tab, the nominee details, the name, relation are required to be uploaded. The date of birth of nominee and the percentage of share are needed to be saved. Finally, the employee can upload his signature in PNG, GPF or GIF format.